This is code.org. My game's going crazy. If you don't have this, you should go back to the other parts of this course. Let's see what we're doing. Different kind of item. You can add a different item, a different type of item for your player to collect or avoid. Do this. Draw or find a new animation for your item. Create a new sprite for the animation. It should start at a random location. Adjust the item's velocity to get it moving. Program a new interaction inside the collect items. Oh, an item to collect. Sweet. And this was my death animation. Maybe I should make this scarier. What if I do this and no, not that. That color. Oh, that looks more like a death item. Okay. Death animation. Things to collect. Oh, my guy wants to collect a burger for sure. All right. Boom. And then I need to set it up with a sprite. star2 player. So let me go ahead and do a var. And I'm going to get a space in between here just so it's easy to read. I mean, what they call it? I'm just going to, instead of calling it item, I'm going to say reward, I guess, because it's a good item. Reward, 200, 200. I need to set its animation. So reward. And I was going to use the burger. Now this is going to be huge, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's way too big. It's a yummy, yummy burger though. Let me scale it. So, and remember, scale starts at 1 being 100%, 2 would be 200% the size, right? So 2 is 200% as big, and 0.3 would be 30% as big. Let me try that. And I even want it smaller than that. That's mint because my player is tiny. That's a bit better. Maybe I'll go slightly bigger. Okay. And then what did it say? Interaction. Yep. Create new sprite. It should start at a random location. So I don't want it like this, right? I want a random location. So to do that, I'm going to head to math.random and drop in random and random. Now, a random x value and a random y value. I know the screen size. It starts at 0x and goes to 400. So I'm going to go 0 to 400. And then I'm going to go 0 to 400. So that way it can appear anywhere on the screen. And if you don't want it on the edge like this, you could go a little smaller, right? Maybe you want to go 10 to 390 or something like that. Now, let's see what we're supposed to do. Adjust its velocity to get it moving. Ooh, okay. I'm going to actually, let's see. Let's do a random velocity. You don't have to. You could do whatever velocity you want. I'm going to say it's going to go sideways since everything else is going the other way. So I'm going to have it do reward. Velocity x is going to be, I don't know, let's try 2. Okay, let's try 4, 5. Oh, it went off right away. Look at that. Okay. So now let's see. Program a new interaction. Oh, okay. So right now we have its velocity. I'm going to actually slow it down at 3. And then I'm going to say for an interaction, I have a lives variable because I did the other part. We also have score. So I'm going to say if player is touching, I could do if player bounces off of sprite. So if player bounces off of reward, now what do we want to have happen? Let's test this for, oh, whoop, there went the player. I love how high that bounces, great. And I'm going to go ahead and do a score. So I'll say score is equal to score, right? Because it's the counter pattern. So if they touch the reward, I'm going to say score equals score plus 10 or plus 2. Maybe they get a bonus of 2. I can also do lives. Since I have a lives variable from the other challenge, I might do lives equal to lives plus 1. They get a bonus life. And you could even have this rotate. So right now it only appears once and it's gone, right? Once it's off the screen, it's gone. If you did want it to keep going, you would do just as we did for our other things, right? For our player, for our platforms, and we could have a set reward. Would be somewhere, player, collect items. Oh, right here. This is where we could do it. So that's where our interaction should be as well, actually. I could use is touching. I use bounced off for fun. But right here, boom. And now if they get that, so if they're touching, we can do as we did here with the X and Y and randomize it. Perfect. So what are we going to do? Reward dot y is equal to reward dot y is equal to, and we can do the same thing, right? Anywhere on the screen that, wrong one. Anywhere on the screen that we want. And this time I might do 0 to 400 for both. Now this might be OP, overpowered with bonus and all that, but and I didn't even get it. So notice it's gone because I gave it a velocity. It's only going to reappear if you get it. Oh, I'm not good at this game. There, you saw it. Pretty cool. Onward.